They talked about a translation app as well, which I liked. That was a nice and simple and clean little thing that they put together. And believe it or not, I've tried some of these apps in the past and even dedicated hardware, and everything is clumsy. What you need is something simple like this. I suppose Google Translate is similar, but what happens here is one single translation button. It's meant for a two-way actual conversation. Although I suppose we got to be back out in the real world to actually utilize this thing eventually one day. And it will then interpret the individual's language and which translation is necessary just based on the voice. You don't have to select Spanish or Mandarin or whatever it might be. It's going to be able to gauge that based on what's incoming. One single microphone button and text and audio and a nice little landscape view, which lets the individual you're working with know which side of the conversation that they happen to be on. So that was a nice little software development.